Good morning, children. How are you all? I know that you are safe at home and you are really feeling bored staying at home at present situation, right? Yes. That is the reason I am going to take a mathematics class for you. Today I am going to take a class for class 3, class 4 and class 5. And my topic is place values of different digit numbers. Place values of different digit numbers. Before going to start my class, I want to recollect some basic concepts, children. Then first, I want to take some numbers. 3, 6, 8, 12 and 14. 3, 6, 8. What digit numbers are these? These are one digit numbers. 3, 6, 8 are one digit number, and a single digit number has only one place, that is ones place. A one digit number has only one place, that is ones place. And come to the 12 and 14. 12 and 14 are two digit numbers. These are two digit numbers. It has two places, ones place and tens place. A two digit number has two places, ones place and tens place. Children, tell me, how many one digit numbers are there? Yes, you are right. I will write on the board, children. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. All these numbers are one digit numbers. From 1 to 9 along with 0. All these numbers are one digit numbers. One digit numbers. Children, tell me, here which is a bigger number and which is a smaller number? So, 9 is the greatest one digit number. 9 is the greatest one digit number. And 1 is the smallest one digit number. What is the greatest one digit number? 9 is the greatest one digit number and 1 is the smallest one digit number. And children, tell me, 9 after what number will come? 10. Then how do you get 10? When we add 1 to the 9. What is 9 here? It is greatest one digit number. When we add 1 to the greatest one digit number, we will get 10. 9 plus 1, how much? 10. Here 10 is a what digit number? Yes, it is a two digit number. 10 is a two digit number. And what are the place values for this number? It has ones place and tens place. Now tell me, children, how many two digit numbers are there? Yeah, from 10 to till 99. 10, 11, 12 and so on till 99. All these are two digit numbers. From 10 to 99. All these are two digit numbers. And children, guess what is the bigger number here and what is the smaller number? Yes, 99 is the greatest two digit number. 99 is the greatest two digit number. And 10 is the smallest two digit number. What is the greatest two digit number? 99 is the greatest two digit number and 10 is the smallest two digit number. And 99 after what number will come? 100. 100, how do you get, children? Yes, I will write on the board. when we add 1 to the 99. Here what is 99? 99 is the greatest two-digit number. When we add 1 to the greatest two-digit number, we will get 100. 9 plus 1 is 0. 0 right in 1's place. 1 is the carryover forwarded to the 10's place. 1 plus 9 is 10. So 100. 100 is a 3-digit number, right? Yes, 100 is a 3-digit number. Now tell me children, how many 3-digit numbers are there? Yeah, I will write on the board. 100, 101, 102 and so on till 999. From 100 to 999. All these are 3-digit numbers. All these are 3 digits number. Now tell me children, which is biggest 3-digit number? 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number and 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Now I am going to write a table children. Please note it down in our books all of you. And note it down children, along with me. Digit, small, great means greatest number. Now take 1-digit number first. What is the smallest 1-digit number? 1. 1 is the smallest 1-digit number. What is the greatest 1-digit number? 9. 9 is the greatest 1-digit number. Then, what is the smallest 2-digit number? 10. 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. And what is the greatest 2-digit number? 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. Now come to the 3rd digit. In a 3-digit number, what is the smallest 3-digit number? Yes, 100. And greatest 3-digit number is 999. Similarly, we can write for a 4-digit number and 5-digit also. What is the smallest 4-digit number? Just we need to add one more 0 to the 100. 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. And what is the greatest 4-digit number? 9999. 4 digit means 4 nines will come. And similarly, what is smallest 5-digit number? Yes, 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number and the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. 5-digit means 5 nines will come. Have you understood children, all of you? Yes, note it down. And now, I want to take an example. 6, 9, 3. Here it is. What digit number? It is a 3-digit number. And write down the places for this number. We need to write places always from right to left. So, first 1's place, 10's place, H for 100's place. So, it is a 3-digit number and it has 3 places. 1's place, 10's place and 100's place. Now I am going to write place values for this number. What is the place value of 3? As 3 is in 1's place, 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 the place value of 3. As 9 is in 10's place, 9's place value is 9 into 10, 90. 90 is the place value of 9. As 6 is in 100's place, 6's place value is 6 times 100. 600 is the place value of 6. 3's place value is 3, 1 are 3. 9 is in 10's place, 9's place value is 9 times 10, 90. 6 is in 100's place, 6's place value is 600, 600. Understood, children? Shall we take one more example? Then give me another number. 932. Read this number, children. It is 932. First write down the places. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. Now what is the place value of 2? As 2 is in 1's place, 2's place value is 2, 1 are 2. 2's place value is 2, 1 are 2. As 3 is in 10's place, 3's place value is 3 into 10. 3 10s are 30. 30 is the place value of 3. As 9 is in 100's place, 9's place value is 9 into 100, 900. 900 is the place value of 9. What is the place value of 2? 2's place value is 2. 3's place value is 30. 9's place value is 900. First observe these two examples and tell me what is the place value of a number. What is the definition of place value of a number? How do you get place value of a number? Again, we will get a place value of that number when a digit in that number is multiplied by its place. If the digit in that number is multiplied by its place, we will get its place value. For example, here 3 is in 1's place. So 3 is multiplied by its place. That is 1's place, 3 1s are 3. So 3 is the place value of 3. 9 is in 10's place. So 9 is multiplied by its place. That is 10. 9 10s are 90 is the place value of 9. Similarly, 6 is in 100's place. 6 is multiplied by its place. So 600 is the place value of 6. Understood, children? So what is the definition of place value? Yes. Place value. Place value of a number is the value represented in a number on the basis of its position in the number. For example, 781 is a 3-digit number. Here 1 is in which position? It is in 1's place. Place is nothing but its position. So 1's place value is 1 into 1. 1 is the place value of 1. 8 is in 10's position. So 8's place value is 8 10s are 80 is the place value of 8. 7 is in 100's position. So 7 into 100. 700 is the place value of 7. So place value means place value of a number is the value represented in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Have you understood, children? Yes. Quickly note it down the definition. Yes. Now I am going to explain about place values of 4-digit number and 5-digit number. Place values of 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. Children, tell me, what is the greatest 3-digit number? 999. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. Now what I am going to do, see, I am going to add 1 to this greatest 3-digit number. Then tell me children, what is the answer? 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 right in one's place, carry over is forwarded to the next place. And 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 right in 10's place, carry over is forwarded to the next place. 1 plus 9 is 10. Now, what is this number? 1000. It is 1000. And count children, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1000 is a 4-digit number. 1000 is a 4-digit number. And write down the places children. We need to write always from right to left. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, and a new place is added, that is 1000's place. And so 1000 is a 4-digit number, and that too, it is a smallest 4-digit number. 1000 is a smallest 4-digit number. Then children tell me, we will take one 4-digit number children. 9, 6, 8, 3. First write down the places: ones, tens, 100, thousands. It is 9683. 9683. Now I am going to write place values for this number. As 3 is in 1's place, what is the place value of 3? 3 into 1, 3 is the place value of 3. As 8 is in 10's place, what is the place value of 8? 8 into 10, 80 is the place value of 8. And as 6 is in 100's place, what is the place value of 6? 6 into 100, 600. And 9 is in 1000's place, 9 into 1000. How much children? 9000. 9000 is the place value of 9. So 3's place value is 3 ones are 3. 8's place value is 8 tens are 80. 6's place value is 6 hundreds are 600. 9's place value is 9 thousands or 9 thousands. Have you understood children? Shall we take one more example? Yeah. Note it down children first. Next take another example. 3, 0, 6, 8. Read this number. It is 3068. 3068. Write down the places. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, 1000's place. Now write down the place values. As 8 is in 1's place, what is the place value of 8? 8 ones are 8. 8's place value is 8 ones are 8. What is the 6th place value? As 6 is in 10's place, 6th place value is 6 into 10. 6 tens are how much children? 60. Yes. 60 is the place value of 6. And 0 is in 100's place. 0's place value is 0 into 100. Tell me children. 0. Yes. So 0's place value is 0. And 3's place value is 3 into 1000. 3000 is the place value of 3. 8 is in 1's place. 8's place value is 8 ones are 8. 6 is in 10's place. 6th place value is 6 tens are 60. 0 is in 100's place. 0 tens. 0 into 100 is 0. 0 is the place value of 0. 0's place value is always 0. 3 is in 1000's place. 3's place value is 3 into 1000. 3000 is the place value of 3. Note it down children, so that we will go for a 5-digit number. Next. Now children tell me, what is the greatest 4-digit number? 9999. 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Now I am going to add 1 to this greatest 4-digit number. Yeah, everyone add along with me. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 right in 1's place. Carry over is forwarded to the next place. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 right in 10's place. Carry over is forwarded to the hundreds place. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 right in hundreds place and carry over is forwarded to the next place. 1 plus 9 is 10. Now, what is this number, children? Here, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, it is a 5-digit number. It is a 5-digit number. And write down the places. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, 1000's place. And 10,000's place. A new place is added, that is 10,000's place. Put a comma after hundreds period. So we need to put a comma after each period. Here ones, tens, 100 together form one period, and 1000, 10,000 is one period. Each period after we need to put a comma. So 10,000 is a 5-digit number. And it is a smallest 5-digit number. 10,000 is a smallest 5-digit number. Now I am going to take a 5-digit number. 3, 8, 1, 2, 6. First write down the places. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, 1000's place and 10,000's place. 10,000's place. It is 38,126. 38,126. Write down the place values. 6 is in 1's place. So 6th place value is 6 into 1, 6. 6 is the place value of 6. 2 is in 10's place. 2's place value is 2 into 10. 20 is the place value of 2. 1 is in 100's place. 1 into 100. 100 is the place value of 1. As 8 is in 1000's place. 8 into 1000. 8,000 is the place value of 8. 3 is in 10,000's place. 3's place value is 3 into 10,000. 30,000 is the place value of 3. Have you understood, children? Shall we take one more example? Yes. Take one more number. 6, 0, 3, 2, 1. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, 1000's place, 10,000's place. It is 60,321. Write down the place value. 1 is in 1's place. 1's place value is 1 into 1. 1's place value is 1 into 1, 1. As a 2 is in 10's place. 2's place value is 2 into 10. 20 is the place value of 2. 3 is in 100's place. 3 into 100. 300 is the place value of 3. And what is the place value of 0? 0's place value is always 0. 0 is in 1000's place. So 0 into 1000 is 0 is the place value of 0. 6 into 10,000. 60,000 is the place value of 6. 1 is in 1's place. 1's place value is 1 into 1, 1. 2 is in 10's place. 2 tens are 20 is the place value of 2. 3 into 100. 300 is the place value of 3. 0 is in 1000's place. 0 is the place value of 1000. 0's place value is always 0. 6 is in 10,000's place. So 60,000 is the place value of 6. Now I want to take some examples. Everyone note down in your books. This box is for 3-digit number, and this is for 4-digit number, and this box is for 5-digit number. Take a 3-digit number, 631. 631. Write down the places, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. This is a 3-digit number and places are ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now write down the place values. Ones place value is 1. 1 into 1, 1. 3 is in tens place. 3's place value is 30. 3 tens are 30 is the place value of 3. 6 is in hundreds place. 600 is the place value of 6. Ones place value is 1 is in ones place 1. 3 is in tens place. 3's place value is 30. 6 is in hundreds place. 6 place value is 600. Next take a 4-digit number. 3198. Write down the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Now write down the place values. 8 is in ones place. What is the place value of 8? 8 only. 9 is in tens place. What is the place value of 9? 9 tens are 90. 1 is in hundreds place. What is the place value of 1? 1 into 100. 100 is the place value of 1. 3 is in thousands place. What is the place value of 3? 3000. 3 into 1000. 3000 is the place value of 3. Eight's place value is 8. Nine's place value is 90. One's place value is 100. Three's place value is 3000. Understood, children? Then take a 5-digit number. 1, 2, 8, 2, 3. It is a 12,823. First write down the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. What is the place value of 3? 3 is in ones place. 3's place value is 3 1s are 3. What is the place value of 2? 2 is in tens place. 2's place value is 2 into 10. 20 is the place value of 2. 8 is in hundreds place. 8's place value is 800. 2 is in thousands place. 2's place value is how much, children? Yes, 2000 is the place value of 2. And 1 is in 10,000's place. What is the place value of 1? Very good. 10,000. 10,000 is the place value of 1. In this way we will write the place values of different digit numbers. So here we learnt about place values of a 3-digit number, 4-digit number and 5-digit number. Have you understood, children? Yes. Now I am going to do an activity for this place value. Yeah. Here I have a wheel. Yeah, this is a place value wheel. Using this wheel, we can find place value of a 3-digit number. Yeah, take a 3-digit number 693. 693. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now here we have 3 wheels. This is ones wheel, this is a tens wheels and this is a hundreds wheel. By rotating this wheel we can show the place values of that digits. Here what is the place value of 3? As a 3 is in ones place. 3's place value is 3. Now by rotating it I will show the place value of that digit. Yes, here this pointer shows the place value of that digit. 3 is the place value of 3. Next, 9 is in tens place. What is the place value of 9? 9 tens are 90. 90 is the place value of 9. So here pointer shows the 90. So 90 is the place value of 9. Now 6 is in hundreds place. What is the place value of 6? 6 into 100, 600. By rotating hundreds wheel, we can show its place value. So here this pointer shows the 600. Means 600 is the place value of 6. 3's place value is 3 ones are 3. 9's place value is 9 tens are 90. 6's place value is 600. 6 into 100, 600 is the place value of 6. Understood, children? Yes. Next, my concept is face values of a number. Face values. What are face values? F for face values. Shall we take one example? Yeah, take 3, 2, 8. 328. It is 328. Write down the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now I am going to write face value, not place value. It is F for face value. So what is the face value of 8? 8 is in 1, sorry, face value of 8 is, face value of 8 is 8 only. The same number will come. And face value of 2 is 2 only. The same number will come. And what is the face value of 3? Face value of 3 is 3 only. The same number will come. Face value means the same face, the same number, the number itself. Don't think about its position. Don't think about its place. The face value of that digit is the same number. Understood, children? We have only one face. Wherever you go with the same face. There is no change in our face. Similarly here, there is no change in the face value of a number. Understood, children? Shall we take one more example for face value? Yes. Are you going to tell me the answer? Yes, children. Now take a 4-digit number. 4,918. It is 4,918. Now what is the face values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. It is a 4-digit number. The face value of 8 is, face value of 8 is 8 only. What is the face value of 1? Face value of 1 is, face value of 1 is 1 only. What is the face value of 9? Face value of 9 is 9 only. What is the face value of 4? Face value of 4 is 4 only. The same number will come. Face value means the same number will come. Don't think about its position. Understood, children? Yes. Now I want to tell you the difference between place value and face value. With examples, I want to explain you. Yeah, take a 3-digit number first. $812. First write down the places. Ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. Place value of this number. First write down the place value of this number. As 2 is in 1's place, what is 2's place value? 2 ones are 2. 1 is in 10's place. 1's place value is 1 into 10, 10. 8 is in 100's place. 8's place value is 8 into 100. 800 is the place value of this 3-digit number. Now write down the face value. What is the face value of 2? The same number, 2 only. What is the face value of 1? 1. What is the face value of 8? The same number will come, 8 only. Understood, children? Then take a 4-digit number. 3612. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, 1000's place. Take place values. And here take face values. Yeah, everyone along with me write down, children. 2's place value is 2 1 are 2. 1's place value is 1 into 10. 10 is the place value of 1. 6's place value is 600. 6 into 100. 600 is the place value of 6. 3's place value is, as 3 is in 1000's place, what is its place value? Yes, 3000. 3000 is the place value of 3. Now write down the face values, the same numbers. 2's face value is 2. 1's face value is 1. 6's face value is 6. 3's face value is 3 only. Understood, children? Yes, quickly note it down. After this, I want to give you assignment. Yeah, note down the homework. Your homework is write the place values and face values for the following numbers. Write the place values and face values for the following numbers. 1. 368 to 4126. Third example is 10,000. Fourth example is 11,212. Fifth example is 86,888. So practice these problems at your home, children, and be ready for the next class. We will meet in the next class.